Hi, I'm Becky and welcome to another slow cooking recipe with me. So today I will be making a slow cooked chili con carne. So the recipes will be online. On this recipe we're going to be using some sweet paprika, some oregano, some garlic, an onion. I'm going to put a bit of cayenne pepper in mine, some chili flakes. We've got some kidney beans and chopped tomatoes, 150 ml of stock and some tomato puree. Now I will just say you can actually lightly fry off your mince if you want to. I'm not going to, because this will make all the juices a bit more richer in the slow cooker. So I'm going to let it cook all the way through with all the ingredients and soak up all them lovely flavours. So we're going to just start with, we're going to add the chopped tomatoes into the mince, which I've already popped into the slow cooker. I broke it all up so it don't go lumpy. So we're just going to pop that in. Well, we've got plum tomatoes, not chopped ones, but it doesn't matter. I've got some lovely kidney beans, a tin of kidney beans, so we're just going to put those in. You have to make sure that the majority of your juices have been drained off. I'm going to get my onion and I'm going to chop that up as well. So we're going to do top and tail of the onion. And I'm just going to slice down the middle and take the nasty bit of skin away. Just a little bit there. Now this is another lovely tea that you can leave in your slow cooker all day while you're out and about or at work. So we're just going to nicely slice up the onion. This recipe, if you put it on a high setting and you want it within 8 hours, just put it on a high setting. If you want it for 4 hours, put it on a high setting. 8 hours, put it on a low setting. And it'll be nice and ready for when you come home. So we're slicing up the onion. I'm just doing mine in chunks. So like I say, it doesn't all have to be perfect. So we're just going to pop the onion into there. This is so easy doing it this way. This recipe will serve up 4 to 6 people, so it goes quite a long way. So we're going to add some chili flakes in there. I'd say about 2 teaspoons. This is a tablespoon, but I'm just going to do a little teaspoon in there. Now if you like it nice and fiery, you can add more to this. If you like it spicy. Even you could add a few jalapenos in there as well if you like it even spicier. So I'm just going to put some cayenne pepper in there. Paprika, sorry. Then some cayenne pepper, I'll get it the right way. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there. That just adds colour to the chili con carne. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic. And I'm going to put a little bit of oregano in for some nice flavours. There we go. And it's simple as this. So I've done 150 ml of stock. So I've used the beef stock for this with some warm water. Give it a nice good mix around. I'm just going to tip that into the slow cooker. See, you don't need too much fluid with this because you've got your chopped tomatoes or your plum tomatoes. That will give off quite a lot of juice as well. So we've got some tomato puree, and we're just going to put a nice good dollop of this. We're going to do 2 tablespoons in this one. The recipe is on there if you want to follow it bit by bit though. And I have spoke about, don't worry if you haven't got all your ingredients in, it's all about adapting to what you've actually got. If you haven't got any tomato puree, you can add some more chopped tomatoes or fresh tomatoes in to give it flavour. And if you're really stuck, you can add tomato sauce. It just won't be as strong, that's all.
What about bolognese sauce? Can you have that in?
Yeah, or jar of bolognese sauce. Passata, I'd rather use passata. Yeah, only because a lot of jar sauces with bolognese sauces, chili sauces have got a lot of sugar, a lot of salt in there. And that's what we're trying to avoid, is from using them and doing them from scratch. So I'm just literally going to stir this up. Make sure all them flavours will get into that mince before we switch on the slow cooker. And I am going to just chop up them tomatoes just a little bit. So, there we go. So all them lovely flavours in there, and I will pop a little picture on of it when it's done with some rice. I'm going to serve mine with rice. So I'm going to pop my lid on. Again, I've used the slow cooker bag just for the simple fact is that it keeps your slow cooker nice and clean. So we've got the low setting if you want it on for 8 hours, and then up to high setting if you want to cook it for only 4 hours, and you want it a bit done bit quicker. So I'm just going to pop mine onto 8 hours on a high setting, and then this will come out lovely. And I will pop a picture on later once this is done, and I'll see you all again for another nice slow cooking recipe. Thanks for watching, guys.